Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about some exciting news in the India textile industry. Let's dive in. Government's PLI scheme for textile. On Tuesday, Textile Minister Giriraj Singh announced that the government has approved a production linked incentive PLI scheme for the textile worth over 10,000 crore. This scheme aims to boost the domestic manufacturing and exports, extending the PLI scheme to garments. Minister Singh mentioned that the government is now considering extending this PLI scheme to the garment sector as well. This extension will further help in increasing production and exports of garments from India. Opportunities for export growth. Speaking at the India International Garment Fair, Singh highlighted the huge opportunities for the increasing export. He urged the industry to target 50 billion worth of shipment in the coming years. Details of the PLI scheme. In 2021, the government approved the PLI scheme for textile with an outlay of rupees 10,683 crore over 5 years. The goal is to promote the production of man-made fiber, MMF apparel, MMF fabrics, and technical textile products in India. This will help the textile industry grow and become more competitive. Future goal for the textile industry. Minister Singh shared that the current market size of the Indian textile industry is about 165 billion. The goal is to increase this to 350 billion in the future. Competition in the textile sector. India faces tough competition from Bangladesh and China in the textile sector. However, with the new PLI scheme, India aims to boost its production and the export capabilities to compete better in the global market. That's all for the today updates on India textile industry and the PLI scheme. Stay tuned for more news and insights. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.